I really hope you guys can see it right now. Currently, you know what, let me just like show you the reverse side of this setup because it's really uncomfortable, and if I'm shaking, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is it. Inception. First of all, let me start off with, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adrianne, and if you're feeling my vibe, please subscribe. It's been a while. Hi guys. I've been super busy with getting back to work, modeling, and just like the whole thing, just trying to work out schedules and filming and editing. Really, it's just editing getting in the way for me, because that's really what takes the longest. Anyways, today we are going to be tackling my Poshmark closet. Yes, I have an entire closet dedicated to Poshmark because I have a lot of clothes. And they're not all my clothes, so I've taken my brother's clothes, my mom's clothes, and clothes from my in-laws, and they're just like, okay, you sell it, so might as well just give it to you so that way you can resell and somebody else can repurpose it and use it. So I'm gonna show you the room now. Welcome to my office. It's in the works. It's currently a little bit of a mess. Canella, where are you? Yee. I think oh no, she's over here. Anyways, I had my parents over for the weekend, so that's why this is like that. There she goes. And check out my drawing that I did like forever ago. I was in college. That's like the greatest piece that I've ever done. And Dion took it down because he thought people were gonna think that we are Satanists. We're not. I recreated a drawing by Albert Dürer, and it's a satyr. Half man, half goat. So originally it was here, but he replaced it with this beautiful thing that he's had for forever. Also new desk. But this is my Poshmark closet. There's a lot of stuff in there. Like a lot of stuff. Like a lot of stuff. Some of it is hung up, some of it is still in bags and boxes. That's a mannequin that my brother-in-law gave to me to use to like sell things. And this is some of our filming gear. It's Dion's filming stuff. Drones, drone. It's a lot. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So tag along. All right, the closet. I'm not really looking forward to this, but it needs to get done. I have to upload a whole bunch of things to Poshmark so I can just like get this out of my house. Some things I will be donating. So there's that. So there's gonna be a pile for selling and a pile for donating, and throughout that I'm gonna be taking photos and posting it onto Poshmark. So join me for the ride on that. Also, what do you think of my outfits? Yes, cute. There's pockets back here. Yes. Got these from Poshmark. They're originally from Anthropologie, and this I got from Aeropostale from forever ago, I believe. Yeah. I'm also gonna be leaving the door open, so if you hear little pitter patters, that's the doggies. So there's that. Those trash bags. So we did shove a whole bunch of things into this closet recently, like maybe 5 days ago, because I threw Dion a 30th birthday party, and I just didn't have time to like find places for it. Plus we don't really have a lot of storage in this house. We have a lot of space, but not a lot of storage. So I never know where to put things. Yeah, so that's we're gonna be seeing all of that. Yeah, so more film stuff. We got some Christmas ornaments. I need to go back to his parents' house because they don't belong here. box. Yeah, so I keep boxes, like random boxes that I get whenever I order things or whenever Dion ordered things, just to make my life easier when it comes to shipping orders out. Also, by the way, if you guys want to shop my Poshmark closet, links down below in the description box. Alright, I also have some soap making stuff in here from like the beginning of quarantine when I was like, I'm going to be making soaps, all natural soaps, and I bought everything to do it, and I just never did it. But I have all the stuff for it, and I think I was just scared to start making, I think I was just scared to like start making soap, because, you know, why, but I don't know. One of these days I'll get to it. Okay, so everything on this side has already been uploaded onto my Poshmark, and everything for the most part on this side has not. It's a lot, you guys, like a lot. This has been uploaded. So my mission for today is to upload all of this onto the site. So let's get started. And then hang these things up and sort them out. Got my lovely mannequin. Is it going in there? I wonder. It does. Ah, amazing! Okay, it doesn't go up that high. Perfect! Alright, so I didn't know that this was adjustable the last time that I used it. So, let's move these things out of the way. Alright, check in with you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so currently we're watching Grey's Anatomy while I do this. Just got to the episode where Maggie Pierce, she's a new character. Christina just left, so Maggie Pierce is a new head of cardiothoracic surgery at Graceland Memorial Hospital. I know I'm getting very into the details here. Anyways, and Richard Webber just found out that Maggie is his daughter because Ellis Grey gave birth to Maggie. So, and Maggie just met Meredith. And that's where I'm at in the series right now. And it's like very tense because she's like, you can tell that she's in between like, oh my god, do I tell her now? Or should I just like wait to tell her that she's my sister? Or I don't know, but anyways, back to, yeah. So I put up quite a few things for sale up on my Poshmark. Didn't show everything because there's no point in me showing you all of that. But I am gonna like reorganize this right here. But what I really want to do in this closet is like take down these shelves and possibly like, no. Okay, so this is what I want to do. Like here, I think like this half of the closet, I want to do like cubicle kind of things. That way I can just fold things up, put them up in there, and then have like a smaller section for dresses and hanging things, like coats and stuff like that. But I don't have that system just yet. I think I'm gonna have to custom do that myself, which that's fine, it's just finding the time to do it. But now I'm gonna hang up all these items. So let's get going to that. Also, I have been sipping on some peach detox tea by Yogi, and I put some honey in it. My allergies are really bad today, like really bad. Oh, I hate it. But my little tea bag, it's super cute. It says appreciate yourself and honor your soul, which is what I've been doing. So it's good to see that. Okay, so this is where I'm at. I think I'm gonna call it quits. For now, I've got quite a few things hung up in there and posted. Got some garbage there. Got Aria there. We got Beatrice right here playing with the socks that he shouldn't be playing with. And we have some donations right here. That is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. This wasn't the most informative video, but actually I'll show you guys how I actually post things on the app. So I have it right here. Can you guys see it? You know what, I'm gonna close this closet. My mannequin is gonna stay out because I'm gonna be working on this week. I really just want to get this office the way that I want it to. Same with the film room. I am going to be starting my podcast soon, so stay tuned for that. Very exciting stuff. Yeah, let me show you how I use POSHMARK. So I have it on my phone right here. Just open up the app. There is a button right here that says sell. Click that, take a picture. Next, details, you just say what you want. They've got categories, and if it's new with tags, you can click that. You can look up all the brands that you have, and then the listing price. So you put the original price. If you don't know what the original price is, you just say 0 or you guesstimate, and then you list it for however much you want to. Click next, and then it'll go ahead and populate it into your closet for you. So this is my closet. This is what I have. There's a whole bunch of new stuff on there right now. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more videos about this and the renovation that I'm going to be doing in this office space, let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much. Again, love you all so much. And don't forget to subscribe if you're feeling my vibe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!